Thank you very much. Click on my video. I am at Allstars bowling, but I'm not here for bowling. I'm here because at the minute they've got this fantastic deal on karaoke room. You can hire the karaoke room for 2 hours for up to 12 kids for £25. That's £25 for up to 12 children for 25 quid. So at the minute, I've got 2 hours of childcare and they're in there singing their hearts out. So if you want to see what it's like in the karaoke room, I'll show you that now. Hopefully the noise isn't too bad, but they're absolutely having an awesome time in there. And I think it's just a fantastic deal. 25 quid for up to 12. Also you get unlimited squash as well included in the price. So if they're thirsty, there's loads of drinks for them. So I'll show you inside the karaoke room now. So I'm in the karaoke room. This room is a real good size. You know, it's big. There's plenty of seating for everybody, and there is 1, 2, 3 screens with the words on. So you guys are taking up a little bit of room here, but there is so much room. So if you did have 12 kids in here, there's plenty of room for them. There's also mic stands, obviously microphones. There's a few props as well, which we've been using, and also plenty of squash for them. Are you guys having fun?
Yes!
It's a really easy setup as well for the songs. Who wants to demonstrate how you put a song on?
Me, I'll do it.
Okay, go on then.
Okay,
So you go on.
Yeah.
Show us how it works.
So you go on to find songs. Yeah. You type in any songs like give me a song, guys. How about Power by Little Mix? Power, Little Mix, and you just tap onto it.
Yeah.
And when you saved it, you press done.
Yeah.
So that will be next.
Oh, so it cues it. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's really simple to use.
There we go, that's how you do it.
Wicked. They're going to do Dance Monkey.
If your head messy and I'm missing worth in mind, you know you slapped me dead while I was passing by. And I beg to see you dance one more time. What they say, move for me,
So one of the great things about the karaoke room is literally outside. There's a table, so if you wanted to just sit, read a book, you know, play on your phone, you can do. But here, it's smart darts as well, so you could do that whilst they're screaming. Play pool. There's also, and this is just in where, so the kids can't come out without you seeing them. There's also a shuffleboard. And there's a bar as well, so get drinks, food. But yeah, I just think for 25 quid for 2 hours, these guys think they're in their own recording studio. It's amazing. They're absolutely loving it, and for 2 hours you can't go wrong for up to 12 kids. It's got to be an absolute bargain, especially over the summer holidays. Weather's not the best at the minute, so somewhere indoors where the rain won't affect that, I think it's really worth it. And yeah, so check it out. Also, Allstars have some other amazing offers on at the minute for bowling. There's even one for dates as well, so if you fancy a date night, the offer are great. I think there's even like a cocktail or a drink involved, but check them out. I will put some offers below in the comments and just show you guys. But yeah, thanks very much for watching. If you're watching this and you're not following, press that follow button. Really appreciate it, and I appreciate all of you guys who takes time out of the day to watch my video or give me a thumbs up or share it. Really appreciate it. But I'm going to sit here and listen to a bit of music, I think. Put my headphones in and chill out for it. I think I've got about another hour, so happy days. But hope you're having a good summer holidays, and yeah, see you on the next one.